guys, nasa trend na kami. Papuntang SM pa rin. Nandun yung dalawa guys. So, time-lapse ko to para sa inyo, para mabilis.
Stop your thinking and start your living. Get your shoes on.
Paandar na yung train.
Ang bilis.
Ang bilis ng train. Dito ko ilapag para sa inyo.
Ba't yung dito? Kasi dito sa...
We could solve.
Yan, para makita nyo ang whole view.
Minecraft. Saan? Dito ako saan? Saan kami nakasakay?
Driving to Austin.
Sinin.
Si Sandra.
Na, dandan.
This feels like
Hello.
time is making fun of me.
Oy, guys, kuminto yung train na wala ng fuel.
Ayun. Ay. Sasamahan niyo kami.
Guys, nahilo ko yung iba. Paandar na ulit.
Ha?
Let's not miss this opportunity.
Ayan, ikot pa yan doon.
So guys, so sobrang bilis ng train. Kasi ang makita dito.
Kami sasakay dito.
So guys, nandito kami boy.
Ito kami doon ako.
Dito mo kasi
Just talk to you.
Nakakita niya.
wala bang nalagyan. Sobrang taas yan.
Time-lapse mo na lang. Ano?
So guys, so sasakay na pala.
There's an angel in the crowd.
Guys, ay sasakay na pala.
Ha?
We've been drinking. They don't find us. 'Cause man, we're wasted. Feels like time is making fun of me. Ticking away at the walls and I can barely breathe. This might be my only chance to leave. Let's not miss this opportunity. Wait, you crazy. Tell my family I love them. Tell them that I'm doing everything I can to make it home for Christmas. I'll make it alive. I'll do it again, yeah.
Kami sa Makay, so sobrang bilis lang, ganun lang. So, may part 2 pa ata or part 2 na to. So, mag-spoiler na po kami sa susunod naming bibidyoin. Sa susunod na bibidyoin namin, magte-trade kami sa aming ibibigay candy or magbibigay kami ng iti-trade namin. So, ngayon, magpapaalam na po kami ngayon. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel sa Street Wanderers.
If we tried it, we can make it. But don't we ever take some chances? Stop your thinking, start your living. Get your shoes on.
DQ.
DQ? Ano? Ice cream. Hindi 40 lang kasi broke lang kami. Ice cream lang kami. So,
Living problem we could solve. Try another. I know you got one.
Mukha bang vanilla yan?
Lights calling.
So guys,
Driving
this is
to
it.
Austin.
Hintay nila lang yung bago namin dito. Siguro sa mga Saturday or Sunday. Yun lang po.
This feels like time is making fun of me.